Why you should start a YouTube channel now. What if the best time to start a YouTube channel was not last year, not next month, but right now? A lot of people keep waiting for the perfect time. They wait until they have better equipment, more confidence, or more free time. But the truth is, every successful YouTuber started with 0 views, 0 subscribers, and 0 experience. Today, I want to show you why starting a YouTube channel now could be one of the smartest decisions you make. YouTube is still one of the biggest platforms in the world. Millions of people watch videos every single day, which means there is always room for new creators. And the best part, you do not need to be famous to get started. You do not need a studio. You do not need expensive cameras. All you need is one idea, one topic, and the courage to begin. There are people out there looking for exactly the kind of content only you can make. YouTube is one of the best places to learn by doing. When you create videos, you improve your speaking, editing, storytelling, confidence, and communication skills. Each video teaches you something new. Your first video may be awkward. Your second may be better. Your 10th may surprise you. Your 100th can completely change your life. The earlier you start, the earlier you begin improving. When people watch your content, they start to recognize your face, your voice, and your ideas. Over time, that trust becomes powerful. A strong YouTube presence can help you with business, freelancing, coaching, speaking, selling products, or getting new opportunities. In simple words, your channel can become your online identity. One of the biggest excuses people use is, I do not have the right tools. But the truth is, you can start with what you already have. A smartphone is enough. Free editing software is enough. Simple whiteboard animation is enough. What matters most is not perfection. What matters is consistency. Some of the best creators did not start with perfect setups. They started with basic tools and strong ideas. YouTube does not reward people who wait forever. It rewards people who keep showing up. The algorithm loves consistency, and so does your audience. The more you post, the more data you give YouTube. The more videos you make, the more chances you have to get discovered. One video can bring a little attention. 10 videos can build momentum. 100 videos can build a real channel. The creators who win are usually the ones who stay in the game long enough. Sometimes the video you think will do badly becomes your biggest hit. And sometimes the video you worked hardest on gets almost no views at first. That is the beauty of YouTube. You do not need every video to go viral. You only need a few videos to connect with the right audience. One strong video can change your entire channel. One useful video can bring in subscribers for months or even years. That is why starting now matters. The sooner you publish, the sooner you give success a chance to happen. Every month you wait is a month of learning lost. Every year you wait is a year of growth lost. And while you are waiting for the perfect moment, other creators are improving, posting, and building their audience. Starting now does not mean starting perfectly. It means starting messy, learning fast, and getting better as you go. Imagine looking back 1 year from now and realizing you finally began. You would have more confidence, more skills, more videos, and maybe even your first loyal audience. That future version of you only exists if you start today. You do not need to have everything figured out. You only need to take the first step. So if you have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this is your sign. Start with what you have. Start with what you know. Start before you feel ready. Because the best time to begin is now. Upload your first video, learn from it, improve, and keep going. Your channel could become the beginning of something much bigger than you imagine. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content on YouTube growth, content creation, and online success.